Benchmark Tea Factory and Chocolate Factory is one of the popular tourist attractions in Ooty. Located amidst the beautiful hills and cool climate of Ooty, the factory attracts visitors who are interested in tea and chocolate making. It offers a pleasant experience for tourists, families, and chocolate lovers. The factory is well known for its homemade chocolates prepared in different flavors such as milk chocolate, dark chocolate, fruit and nut chocolate, butterscotch, and almond chocolate. Visitors can see how chocolates are made using quality ingredients like cocoa, milk, sugar, and dry fruits. The sweet aroma inside the factory creates an enjoyable atmosphere. The factory is open daily from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Entry is Rs 30. Visitors can take an informative guided tour where they can actually sample raw cocoa beans and learn about the chocolate making process.
Fermentation and drying, essential processes that develop the rich flavors characteristic of fine chocolate. Once the beans arrive at our factory, we meticulously roast them to enhance their unique flavor profiles. Post-roasting, the beans are cracked and winnowed to separate the nibs from the shells, isolating the purest part of the cocoa. These nibs are then ground into a fine paste known as cocoa mass or cocoa liquor, the foundation of our chocolate creations. Through pressing, we separate the cocoa mass into two distinct components, cocoa butter and cocoa powder. This process allows us to utilize each element effectively in our chocolate production. To craft a 100 kilogram batch of milk chocolate, we precisely blend 48 kilograms of sugar, 15 kilograms of cocoa mass, 22 kilograms of cocoa butter, 14.5 kilograms of cocoa powder, 5 kilograms of whole milk powder, 9.5 kilograms of skim milk powder, 350 grams of soy lecithin. Each ingredient is selected for quality to ensure the finest flavor and texture. This mixture is refined in our state-of-the-art ball mill, achieving a smooth and homogeneous chocolate mass. After refining, the chocolate is transferred to dedicated holding tanks, maintaining the purity of each variety, milk, dark, and white. The tempered chocolate is then poured into molds, forming the desired shapes and sizes for our diverse product range. As per our unique recipes, we incorporate premium nuts, enhancing both texture and flavor. The molded chocolates are cooled to solidify, locking in their rich taste and smooth texture. Finally, each chocolate is carefully packaged, ready to delight our customers with Benchmark's signature quality.
Let's now visit the Benchmark Tea Factory cum sales counter. Tea process. Could you please explain?
First, the process is called as in a CTC, crushing, tearing, curling. First stage, we are drying the leaves in the bin and manually loading inside that machine. The machine carries the leaves and it crush, tear, curl and mixes in a powder form. And it mixes in a powder and it gives to the fermentation roller. The roller will rotate for 2 hours and mixes in a granule shape and it gives directly down to the heating process. The heating process will heat and make dry and they will separate the rounders in a flavor and dusters in a normal. This is the process of CTC.
May I know your name?
My name is Rishi.
Thank you so much. One important fact about Benchmark Tea Factory is that it demonstrates the process of tea making. Visitors can learn how fresh tea leaves are collected, dried, crushed, and processed into different varieties of tea. Another interesting fact is that the factory is famous for its wide range of tea products. It sells black tea, green tea, masala tea, cardamom tea, ginger tea, and many flavored teas. Tourists often buy these tea products because they are fresh and aromatic. Visitors are given samples of tea and chocolates before buying them. I hope you liked this video on tea and chocolate factory in Ooty. Thank you for watching and wish you a good day.